Good afternoon, everyone, and today we're going to install one of these trailer brake kits. Okay, and this is a Tecumseh, and the best thing is we actually have the adapter for it for this Chevy Silverado HD. Okay, so we're going to first locate. Here's the driver's side. If you go underneath by the brake pedal, just to the left of it, you see this box. I don't know if you can see it right there in the dark. Maybe I should get a light, huh? But it's this box right here. Can you see my finger? Okay. And then you just undo this. It comes out right there like that. And then you kind of like have to pull up on the sides, and then it'll fall right out, okay? And if you look, it's held in by these three areas right here. This one, and this one. And if you look at the diagram, it says trailer brake right there. Okay, as a second thing from the top left. So up here, that should be this thing right here. Okay, if you can see my finger. So I'm gonna take the harness that comes in the kit right here. Okay, it's kind of tough to do it all in one hand. All right, so here's the harness. This is the part that's gonna go into the panel there, and this is going to go into the back of the trailer brake thing. So here, we're just going to take that up, and it should go this way up here with a little clip on it. Go into that second slot, and I'm going to line it up. Hopefully you can see me lining it up. See, got it lined up here, and then we're going to push it in until you can hear a little click. Okay, and I think that's in there now. And then what you can do is we'll put this cover back on, but we're gonna route this cable somewhere up here out of the way. We'll probably zip tie it, and then we gotta put the brake controller probably somewhere around here. So what we're gonna do is we're going to mount the brake controller, and then we're going to fish all the cables around it. Okay, so we'll see. Right now we got a CB there and some other stuff, so we'll see what we can do as far as finding a good place for it. Okay. Give me a sec. Alright, looks like it comes with two mounting options. The normal bracket, which then I will have to line up and drill some holes for, so I don't know if I want to do that, or this plastic bracket, which will then, depending on where you want it, you can use the section. So I'm going to try to mount this first. So basically we're just going to take a little drill, we're going to use the self-tapping screws, and we're just going to go probably right here, right below right next to the CB, somewhere here, so you can see it, but it's not in your way. And then the cord that I have will pretty much make it there, I hope, because I don't want to put it over here because it's right below the leg, and that's going to create problems as well. So I'm afraid that with the limitations of the cord, this is probably where it's going to go, right here. And so this is going to mount pretty much like right here. Okay, pretty much right here. So, and then you have access to the button, and then you can control it that way. Okay, so let's start mounting. I'm gonna locate this bracket right here, and right there, and then we're gonna drill some holes and go from there. Okay, yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. I don't know anymore. Is this even removable? What the? Alright, let's try. Alright, you can see the location I mounted it. I used the supplied hardware. And basically now all we have to do is take the end, plug it into the harness connector. Okay. Bam. There we go. We got lights. Okay. And then we're just gonna slide it into the receiver end over here. And we're gonna just pop it into the first holder right there like that. Okay, so that's it. And then pretty much they can do whatever they want. You still have full control of the brake, and then you can run the dial. Okay, so I think it'll be okay. If we have to move it a later time, we'll move it, but I think for now it'll be okay. If I have to zip tie something up, right now it looks like nothing is hanging down too badly. If you take a look underneath, it's not too bad underneath here. If I had to zip tie something up, I will, but right now the only thing right there is that. I think I might zip tie that right to that right there, and that's about it. Okay, so let's get a zip tie for that, but otherwise, that's it. Very simple install once you have the right adapters. Hopefully, if you're installing one, good luck on your project, and thanks for subscribing, as always, and have a great day. Bye now.